In 2026, the ecosystem is crowded. Open weight and closed models, multiple sizes, varying context lengths and performance that changes dramatically depending on quantization and your hardware. Deploy to model to runtime voiceover. Use a repeatable selection method. First decide where it runs, local, cloud, hybrid, then choose the model family and size. Then pick the runtime and tooling that will serve it reliably. Match model size to constraints. Small/medium models tend to be best for local responsiveness. Large models are worth it only with adequate GPU resources and genuinely complex reasoning or code needs. A common home setup is hybrid. Keep your documents and retrieval pipeline local and only escalate hard reasoning requests to the cloud when necessary. Even open-weight models can have licensing conditions that affect commercial use and distribution. If you plan to ship this setup or monetize services, license terms become a real constraint. Use a quick decision 5 filter. Total privacy? Do you have a GPU? Strong code needed? Tool calling needed? Time available? Your answers immediately narrow down the right deployment, model size, and runtime path. Once you know your use cases, you pick a baseline family. Common starting points are generalist open-weight model families such as Llama, Mistral, and Gemma. The temptation is to choose the biggest model available. But bigger often means slower responses, higher memory use, and worse user experience at home, especially on CPU or limited VRRAM. Llama offers multiple sizes. Mistral provides clear lineup variants. Gemma is often positioned as hardware flexible with common toolchain support. The same model can feel completely different depending on runtime. Setup complexity, speed, GPU utilization, API compatibility, and stability vary by engine. Even with the right model, you need a stable prompt structure, clear instruction, retrieved context, and explicit constraints. This is the control surface of your system. Tool calling is powerful but risky if the model can execute actions, lights, calendar, tasks. You must prevent accidental or unsafe operations and keep behavior predictable. When home usage grows, more users, more documents, heavier automation, you move to a stronger stack. Larger model, tuned RAG, structured tool calling, and more robust serving. Without measurement, you'll waste time chasing benchmarks. The problem is picking models by hype instead of your real tasks and latency constraints.